think that I could have asked for anything better.
How sweet.
Better trainers. There's no way, because I feel like the way that they live their lives is the biggest inspiration.
Hey guys, warm welcome to Bodyprocoach Nutrition. I'm Maahek Nair. Thank you so much for watching our videos. First of all, I request you to please subscribe the channel, hit that bell icon so that you get intimation of all our videos. We have more than 600 videos, guys, and these videos can really help you to achieve your fitness goal, and all of this absolutely free because we love you guys. That's why we are making all these content for you guys. So before I hop on to the video, let's quickly see the recipe. 5 ingredients and a perfect smoothie. That's a Matcha Pina Colada. Here I have is a matcha powder, coconut milk unsweetened, 1 cup of chopped pineapple, few mint leaves and ice cubes. Coconut milk unsweetened. To that we add 1 cup of pineapple chopped. Next I have here is my mint leaves, and lastly matcha powder. That's about half a teaspoon, and ice cubes. So I'm adding 3 of them, and it's time to blend. Our matcha pina colada is ready. I'm gonna drizzle some matcha powder on it. And add a little mint to it. Our matcha pina colada is ready. It's a super easy drink. Benefits of the same. First, matcha helps in prevention of heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Second, matcha is excellent source to metabolize fat and helps in weight loss. Lastly, request you to please check the description below so that you get to know what all equipments I'm using and what all products I'm using. I have listed everything in the description below so that the drink comes out to be same as mine. Thank you so much. Looking forward to see you next time.